Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen, and this channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. And if you like any of those things, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury, please consider subscribing to my channel. This. Here's the box. Let me put it up here where you can see me unbox it. Oh, okay. So there's the camellia. Oh, and losing stuff. And here is the 2 dust bags. Wow. Oh gosh. Here they are. Here they are. This is what I purchased. How gorgeous are they? I didn't want to make this video real long, that's why I didn't try on the shoes. My lovely receipt book with the camellia. These are the lace-up chevron, BRI. I don't know what that means. And then it says black. I bought them in a 40. I'm not for sure exactly how they run. I'm usually typically a 39, but these are boots, so I did size up. The US price for these beautiful Chanel boots are $1,525. So that is the price of those beautiful boots. And that is it. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, bam. And until the next time, stay classy, stay confident, and my name is Carmen. And I'll see you in the next video.